The Oddire GPS Camera Drone promises professional-grade flight features like Waypoint navigation and auto-return at an entry-level price point. It aims to make aerial photography accessible for beginners who want stability without the high cost of flagship models. Check the link in the description for the best price. We looked at how this model performs in real-world flight scenarios. For casual recreational use, the drone provides a straightforward and accessible experience for new pilots. The GPS-assisted flight modes are a major help for beginners who need support during takeoff and landing. While it captures images, the video quality does not reach the high-definition standards expected from true equipment. The brushless motors provide enough power for basic wind resistance, though you should avoid gusty conditions. The feature set is quite impressive for the price, though real-world stability remains limited by it. We analyzed if the feature-to-price ratio holds up against the competition. The inclusion of GPS, Follow Me modes, and extra batteries makes it an attractive deal for budget shoppers. Brand reliability is a question mark here, as there is less historical data compared to industry leaders. When compared to other drones in this price range, it maintains a strong position regarding available features. If you catch this on sale, the value for money increases significantly for anyone just starting out. You get a lot of features for your money here, though it does not match the. We examined potential pain points and safety factors for the average buyer. The construction is typical for the category, designed to be lightweight rather than highly impact-resistant. Reliability is generally consistent for standard flights, though you should always monitor battery levels closely. Accessing dedicated support or warranty claims can be more challenging with less recognized manufacturers. The app is straightforward to use, allowing for necessary adjustments and flight control without major issues. The GPS return feature adds a layer of safety, but be mindful of the limited evidence on. If you are a beginner looking to experiment with GPS-assisted flight without spending a fortune, this drone provides a decent foundation. However, it is not a professional tool. Serious creators should consider more established brands, as there is limited evidence on this unit's long-term durability.